We get it. Which is why from the very beginning, Charity Water has always guaranteed that 100% of your money goes to providing clean water. No gimmicks, no catch. We wish every donation came with a plane ticket to see your impact firsthand. We can't swing that, but we can show you the journey of your donation. Welcome to Zimbabwe. This is just one of 29 countries with Charity Water projects. But no matter where your donation goes, the journey starts with dedicated people like these folks in green. They're our local partners. Think of them like the beloved characters in your favorite sitcom. You can always count on them, and they've been working behind the scenes for years leading up to your donation's arrival. They've been planning, training, and organizing how your donation can best be utilized. Except these aren't actors. They're scientists, engineers, and community leaders who've dedicated their lives to ending the water crisis.
Here in Zimbabwe, we have quite a number of these challenges. The overall goal is to provide services that last, so that will not be needed in the future.
So let's break ground and get water flowing. Some communities get a hand pump like this that can serve hundreds of people. Each one has a committee of local users that make sure it's always in working order. If you live in a larger community, you might get a solar-powered pipe system. It pumps water out of the ground into these large holding tanks, and then the power of gravity takes over, sending that water rushing down to dozens of tap stands. It's like this whole community got transported into Oprah's audience. You get a tap stand, you get a tap stand. Everyone gets a tap stand, except you're Oprah.
That's unbelievable.
This solution can help thousands of people. It has a water committee too, but it's also really well guarded. And that is how your donation provides clean water. But stay with me now because the journey of your donation doesn't end here. You see, sanitation and hygiene are just as important. Things like hand washing stations, dish racks, and latrines protect everyone's health. Your donation helps provide the training for these folks to build latrines for everyone in the community. Let's be clear, we're talking about going number 2 here. Do you need more proof? Here's evidence. No, really, his name is Evidence and he's an environmental health officer for the district.
Once they have access to safe water, once they have access to sanitary facilities, they will live longer. We need community ownership. And once they participate, they own the project. Once they own the project, they will support the project. Once they support the project, we win as a team.
Okay, so now you're sure this journey is finally coming to an end, but really it just started. Your donation goes on a whirlwind tour that not only provides clean water, but gives futures to all these kids who can now go to school. It provides opportunity for women who can make their own income. So many lives are dramatically changed because of your decision to help. And that's truly where this journey begins. Whatever you can give, you can trust that 100% goes directly to providing life's most basic need. Help bring clean water to 40,000 people this holiday season.